What is up guys, Done at this site. In this video I'm going to show you how to create and set up the Google Merchant Center. So first you need to head over to business.google.com and then it will open your Merchant Center. After that, on the right side you will see the Start Now button. Simply click on the Start Now button and then in the new tab you just simply need to log in to your Merchant Center with your account credentials. And after signing in with your account here, you will be redirected to the homepage of Google Merchant Center next. Now, after that, when you're redirected here, you just simply need to click on business info. And after that, if you have created your business, you can edit the business details or you can add your online store. First, we will edit the business detail. I'll click on edit business detail and then I can change the business name. I can change or write the business address. And after that, I can write the city, the state, the province, the zip code, and then I can also write the customer service, which is my website URL for the customer support. And after that, I can also turn on the live chat support or chatbot support if it's available in my company or in my website URL. And after that, I can just simply choose the country code and I can enter the phone number. After that, I can also input the social media profiles of my company. And then if I have the Korean business registration number, I can also enter that. After that, if my website contains adult content, I can also just check this checkbox. And when I am done, I'll just simply click on the save button here to save all the details of my company. And when the details are filled, you can just simply come back and then you can explore more options like the store. In the store section here, you will see all the registered business that you have entered here in the Google Merchant Center. And then in the countries section here, you can see all the countries that you have added where your online store products appear. You can add some countries by just clicking on add countries, and then from here you can choose from these. If you want to add all countries, simply check this checkbox. It will add all the countries. And when you have checked this, make sure to click on the save button to save all the details. After that, here you can just simply go to sales tax to see all the sales tax reports and then just simply calculate the sales tax which are charged on your products. And after that, when you have done, you can just simply click on these products, and then from here you can see all the products that you have listed in the Google Merchant Center. So this is how the product section looks. From here you will see all the products that you have listed in this Google Merchant Center, and when you click on the sales channel here, this will load all the sales that you have done. And when you click on this needs attention, this will show you all the issues that need your attention. And after that, when you click on automations here, it will show you all the automations that you have created and set here in the Google Merchant Center for your business. And when you click on product studio here, you can generate better product images in seconds by just simply clicking on get started, or you can turn the still images into eye-catching videos by just clicking here. So let's say I want to generate a better product image. I'll click on generate, and then I just simply need to select a product from my online store, and then I need to upload the image. I can choose from one of these options, and after that I just simply need to describe the product and describe the scene, and then this will generate me a brand new clear photo. And if you want to remove the background, simply click on this remove background at the top. So you can just simply remove the background. And if you want to increase the resolution, you can increase that too. You can turn the picture into the video by just clicking on generate video, and then you can select the particular photo, or if you have multiple photos you can do that too, and then you can select a theme and then generate a video out of it. And when you click on this history, this will show you all the history, that what images you have generated, what images you have turned into videos. And when you click on generate for you, this will show you all the pictures and videos that are generated for you. So this is how you can create and set your Google Merchant Center for businesses. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.